Hello. Welcome back to another episode of How I Bakes. I hope you're having a great day and hope everyone's safe. For today's episode, I'm going to be making mini fruit tarts. Mini fruit tarts are great to have for any occasion. Birthdays, bridal showers, baby showers, even picnics. Let's get started. For today's recipe, it is going to be quite extensive. We're actually going to be making the tart from scratch along with the fillings. For this portion, you're going to need 4 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of sugar, a 4th teaspoon of baking soda, a 4th teaspoon of salt, and mix it together. 2 sticks of butter, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the filling, you're going to need 1 pack of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of heavy cream, a cup of sugar, and some fresh berries. Here I have strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. You're more than welcome to get kiwis and blueberries if you like. So for the first part of the recipe, we're going to go ahead and put the butter into a mixing bowl. For the butter, you want to make sure that it's at room temperature and that it's easier to work with. Oops. With a hand mixer, we're going to go ahead and mix the butter. Soften the butter. Add the sugar. Add an egg, 1 egg at a time. Add the salt and the baking powder. Add the vanilla. Slowly incorporate the flour. This is in the fridge for about 10 minutes so the dough hardens and it's easier to work with. So it looks like the fruit tart mixture is ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and get some flour here. I'm not in the kitchen right now so they can't find my rolling pin. So this salt rolling pin will have to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this little baby out here. I'm going to grab this cup. I think this is a good size cup for the size tart that I want to make. Ooh, you don't necessarily have to push them if you don't want to. I'm just going to give it a little shape and help it out. And ready to go, so we'll go ahead and put this in the oven for about 6 to 9 minutes depending on your oven. While we're waiting for the crust to harden up, we'll go ahead and work on the filling. I'm just going to use 1 package of cream cheese, chilled at room temperature. We'll give it a good little beating. And 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 cup of milk. And there you have it. The beautiful cookie dough is done baking. We'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to try one of it had a little hole. I poked it a little too hard. I'm going to cut a little dip, a twist, and fill. Now this should be coming out very creamy, like so. Look how beautiful. All right, let's give this baby a try, shall we? Really good. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you later.